We've all seen those viral Veo3 AI ads on the internet. They're made using a new style called JSON Prompting. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. It all started when this person posted IKEA unboxing videos. But you don't have to use only the IKEA style. You can create videos for any brand, any style, or even with characters. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make your own in just a few simple steps. The tool I'm using is called Sjinn, and I've added the link for you in the description below. It's similar to Veo3 and can create high-quality images and videos with amazing details. It also has lifelike voice generation. You can make vlog videos, ads, or even keep the same character in different videos. First, I'll share a document with all the prompts I use in this video. Here's the first prompt I'm going to use. I'll copy it and paste it into Sjinn. While the video is generating, let me explain what JSON prompting is. It's a JavaScript-style code format that gives clear instructions what will happen, in which order, what camera to use, lighting, room, and elements. You don't have to write it exactly like code, but this style helps you get better results. You can also make your own custom prompts. In my document, there's a link to my custom bot. Click it, type what you want, for example, create a JSON describing a crate opening animation for a high-end dog food box, with a happy dog beside it. My bot is trained to give you a full prompt in the exact format you need. If you want to change something, you can edit it yourself. Then just copy it, paste it into Sjinn, and generate your video. Here's another example. For this, you can literally use a prompt like just this. Generate a cinematic prompt for Samsung product launch. You can do this for any brand. The AI will create the prompt, and that's it. The AI starts working. So, let's watch the output. So friends, you just saw how we can create a professional video using IKEA with just a simple JSON prompt. You can make consistent characters, monkey vlogs, brand ads, almost anything you imagine. We all have seen these monkey vlogs that are going viral on social media right now, and their views are reaching millions. Now let's get back to our prompt section and give it a detailed prompt. Generate one vlog using Veo3, consisting of 4 clips. Protagonist: the star is a large, fluffy white yeti who lives in a snowy forest. His personality is a hilarious mix of sarcastic, emotionally unstable, and overly dramatic, but he's ultimately lovable. So we've got a clear prompt with all the details about our character and story. Now, just click Generate. So we have the story for all of these scenes. And still, this is in a thinking process. We have the story, we have the prompt, and now we have a list for all 5 videos. So let it do his work and we're going to meet after the results. And now we have all of the individual clips. And not just the individual clips, it also merged all of these clips together into one single video. So let's watch the output.
And this is why I can't have nice things. Not a single snowball left. How am I supposed to thrive in this?
The hunger for pure, unblemished, packable snow consumes me, every flake mocking me with its unpackability.
Is this my fate? To simply exist in a whirlwind of throwable joy? This is all I have left. A pathetic, lopsided lump of frozen regret. But wait, this isn't a snow.
The link is in the description below. Check it out because I'm really impressed with this tool. Click the video on your screen to learn how to create an AI influencer like Aitana Lopez, AI Instagram model. That's it for today. See you in the next one.